boy! Look at all these yummy purple grapes! Red ones and green. Can you say grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. So many yummy grapes.
You saw that awesome kids video I made? I created it in about 60 seconds using AI. I made this, and I'm gonna teach you how. The fun part, you can start earning on YouTube from this.
The first thing I did was to take some photos of my 2-year-old son. First, I opened Gemini and activate the Nano Banana feature. Next, I clicked the plus icon to upload my reference photo. I selected a photo of my son and then typed in my prompt. Generate a Disney-style 3D avatar of the kid in the blue tracksuit. And boom, an awesome avatar that my son can relate with. Then, it was time to generate the world. I fed the AI this prompt. A bright, colorful 3D world for a kid's show. In the middle is a giant, glossy bunch of purple grapes. Simple, clean, Nano Banana 3D style. And in just a few seconds, check out what it came up with.
Now is the time, put the images together and create our video using Google Whisk.
Visit this website, labs.google.fx. Click Launch Whisk. Click Enter Tool. Whisk is a tool by Google that lets you generate and manipulate AI-generated image using reference image instead of typing complex prompt. It also lets you generate video with VO from those images. Go to Subject and click Upload Image, then upload the image of the kid. Next, go to Scene and click Upload Image. Then upload the image of the scene you want the kid to appear in. Type what you want Whisk to do. I'll say put the boy in the scene next to the grapes. Hit Enter and boom, your image is ready for animation. From here, you can change and manipulate the scene like this. Change the grapes to banana. And boom, here we go. To animate the image, click this Animate button. Type in your prompt. In my case, I typed generate a children lesson video of the kid talking about grapes.
Can you say grapes?
Here we go.
G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. So many yummy.
After generating all the scenes, I downloaded the video clips and composed them using CapCut.
Hi friends, my name is Jayden.
Look, so many different cats.
I just gave you the blueprint. Subscribe to join the creators who are doing, and comment what you will build with this first.
Hi friends, my name is Jayden, and welcome to Learn with Jayden. This is our magical world where we can learn all about yummy fruits.
We have so much to learn and explore together. Are you ready?
Hi friends, look what I found. It's an apple. Can you say apple? A-P-P-L-E. Wow, what's this yellow fruit? It's a banana. Do you like bananas? B-A-N-A-N. Oh boy, look at all these yummy purple grapes. Red ones and green. Can you say grapes? G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. So many yummy grapes. Bye-bye from Jayden.